Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix no sound during call on Samsung Galaxy phones.
Fix 1. Increase call volume Step 1. Make or receive a call Step 2. Press volume up button Step 3. Ensure call volume is not muted Fix 2. Turn off Bluetooth Step 1. Go to Settings Step 2. Tap Bluetooth Step 3. Turn off Bluetooth. Fix 3. Check speaker/earpiece mode Step 1. During a call, tap Speaker Step 2. Switch it OFF if enabled Step 3. Try again Fix 4. Disable Do Not Disturb Step 1. Open Settings Step 2. Tap Notifications Step 3. Turn off Do Not Disturb. Fix 5. Restart phone Step 1. Press and hold power button Step 2. Tap Restart Fix 6. Update phone software Step 1. Go to Settings Step 2. Tap Software Update Step 3. Download and install updates.